Evening, everybody. It's 7:18 on Sunday night, 9/11. So think about those people. Um, Futures are opening a little on the mixed side. The chart on the screen is the dollar because I think this is probably one of the biggest effects or one of the reasons why we can have effects on all of the markets, both commodities and securities. Um, we're off the lows and we haven't made a new low from Friday's reversal low of 108.35. We're currently 108.81 and we're down on the day, but we haven't broken through yet. This is pretty interesting. This is a fairly extreme uptrend line, and of course, we look like we've crossed over on the MACD, something that has not happened often, but has followed with an attendant decline back to support. Support here, I would have to say, is the 50 day, which is this orange line. And this is a daily chart. That 50 day also comes through right where we basically broke out to the upside again. That's what happened here when we crossed over, although we got all the way down to the 50 day. So, this is kind of what I'm keying off of. But let's take a look at the other things that are open tonight. So far, the oil is slightly lower, down only 35 cents, with kind of a tight range in here. I know that this is not correct because that was Friday's range, but we'll take a look here. Okay, same situation, except in reverse. We bottomed on Thursday and had a strong day on Friday. In fact, the oil only closed plus or minus, I think, 8 cents, not even enough to have a percentage number there. So tonight we've been as low as 86.14 and as high as 86.69, a really tiny range, slightly down from yesterday's close at 86.79. This area should bring about a little bit of trouble unless there's some news somewhere that pushes it either dramatically higher or lower. But 88.5, 89 looks like an area that might be a little bit of a test for us. In the meantime, while the oil is down, both nat gas and heating oil, the two that are acting dramatically better than the crude, are both higher. Uh, this is only up just under a penny, um, and this is up 11 cents. So, kind of interesting. Brent is down 18 cents, so not much there. The gold is up 170 after a very disappointing week last week. I mean, gold had a $6 change last week, or 0.3%, while silver was up 88.5 cents, or 4.9, and even copper, which is down about a penny and a half, or 2 pennies, was also up 4.5%, while the gold did basically nothing. The softs are not open, but the stock futures are. S&P is up about 13, NASDAQ up 50, Dow up 90, and the Russell is up 370. And as I pointed out, the dollar index is down. Bitcoin is slightly higher after Friday's 10.2% move higher. The Ethereum is higher. The difference here is that Bitcoin is 16% off its low. Ethereum is 73% off its 1,000 low, and it bottomed dramatically sooner. The bonds are up 2 seconds, so really not much going on, not in the bonds, not in the 10-year notes, or the 5-year notes, or even the 2-year notes. The 210 spread This week closed at 23, and that was a 3 cent or 3 basis points change in that. So we are more of an inverted yield curve than we were the other day. All right, everyone. Hope you had a good day. Hope you didn't root for the Patriots today. They really, as my kids used to say when they were younger, they really stunk out loud. So, all right, have a good evening. I'll be back in the morning.